In this video, I'll show you how you can book a hotel on Agoda. I'll book a hotel with you live on video, and I'll show you here what you need to do here step by step. So first you want to come to agoda.com. You can either get there by just Google searching for Agoda, or I'll probably leave a link in the description below. Now once you're here, you'll see hotels and homes, private stays, flight and hotel, flights, and so on. You want to make sure you're on hotels and homes, and then you can search for a destination, a city. You can search for a specific hotel, but let's say you want to stay in the city of Chiang Mai, which is in Thailand. You can go ahead and search for that. So here you can see Chiang Mai city. Go ahead and click on that and it will recognize that destination. Once you've entered in your destination, you want to enter in your dates. So I want to stay from the 13th of April to the 20th of April. I'm booking here for 2 adults, and we can go ahead and click search, and it will then search for all of the available hotels which Agoda currently have. Now if you go to the currency icon here, not only can you change the currency, you can change it so the total price is shown. If you have it on the default settings, I believe the base price will be shown, and this is basically the price without any taxes added on. So make sure you choose here the total price per night, and that will include any taxes. So now you can go ahead and find the hotel you want to book. I've got a hotel in mind, so what I'm actually going to do is search for my hotel. But you can go through these hotels and you can filter here through the best match, the lowest price, the distance from the center, top reviewed, and so on. You can also go ahead and filter through here, so you can filter via your budget per night. You can book hotels with free cancellations, with breakfast, you can filter for swimming pool, and so on. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the search bar and book my hotel. First, I'm going to find it via the search bar. So here is my hotel that I'm going to book for these dates, and we'll see if it is available, which it is here. So once you've found the hotel that you want to check out, just go ahead and click on it, and it will then take you into this page where it will show you more photos and information on your hotel. Now if you scroll down even more, you're going to also see the location. It's a good practice really to see the map and just kind of like see where this hotel is. Is it in a good area? What is there around? If you're happy with all of that, you can scroll down and then choose your room. So this is the superior twin room. So for the video, I'm going to book the standard double room. Now, when you go ahead and select your room, if you look to payment and cancellation, you'll see the cancellation and payment policy. Now for this current hotel, it has free cancellation before April the 11th, which happens to be almost 1 month away. So I can cancel it completely free. And in fact, I actually have to pay for this hotel at the hotel. Now, some bookings here will require you to pay now. It just differs depending on the hotel and what listing they have. So I'm going to click book now and book this hotel. And you'll then be taken to the next step where you'll have to enter in your personal information. So you can see Agoda are going to hold your price. So if you scroll down here, you can go ahead and go through these details. Here you can give your preferences. So I want a non-smoking room and a large bed. And we can then scroll down and go to the final step. Now, you may be taken to the booking details where you'll then have to add your card. Because I have to pay at the hotel, it might not ask me to do that. So let's go to the final step. And it will take you to this window where you need to then enter in your credit card and debit card numbers. And then you can book now and pay, for my case, at the property. But it just wants a credit card number to hold this booking. For you, if you're paying right now, then obviously it will take the money out of your account right now. Okay, so now I've clicked on the payment window, it's taken me to this page, and you can see the booking is now complete, and that's all I have to do. Next, you're going to receive an email from Agoda. It's going to tell you all your details, and basically give you a receipt. So that's how you can book a hotel on Agoda. I hope that did help you out.